Good morning, children. I'm very happy and excited to meet you today. Today it is Friday and it is your computer homework or computer subject day. Today you will learn about computer. Also, you'll have to write, isn't it? Children, I hope whatever you are writing, you're also learning. I need you to learn as well. Okay? Last class, we were in the lesson term 1 and page 52. So I had taught you the question answers, and then we had also learned the true or false. Today we'll be learning the fill in the blanks, missing letters, and match the following. Now I request you to have your textbooks in your hand while I am teaching. So I hope so you are ready. Page 52, Roman number 2, fill in the blanks. The storage of data and instructions inside ROM is dash. Now what is ROM and where did you hear the word ROM? Have you watched the videos which I have sent? Have you taken it? Have you learned well? So now ROM is in page number 6. Kindly go to page number 6. Memory. So computer memory can be divided into two. So the first one is primary memory and the second one is secondary memory. Now we'll be only learning about the primary memory. Later we will learn, okay, about the secondary. So in the primary memory, we have again two memories, or the primary memory is divided into two. One is RAM and one is ROM. RAM is RAM. What is the full form of RAM? Random access memory. The storage of data and instructions inside this memory is temporary. Means it gets erased. It's temporary. Okay? It gets erased. Next is ROM. Read only memory. R means read, O means only, M means memory. Here in ROM, the storage of data and instructions inside the ROM is permanent. So what is the answer here? The storage of data and instructions inside ROM is permanent. Next, control panel is presenting dash menu. Can you remember? This video also I have made and I've sent. Have you watched only once, or I don't know whether you have not even seen it, because some of you just write whatever is sent. So if you are not seeing, kindly go back and again have a look. I have taught you detailed there what is control panel. Now here, control panel is presenting dash menu. So open page 12, you can see the start menu there, and also you can see control panel in the start menu. So the control panel is present in the start menu. Next, dash option is used to search a word. Now which option is used to search a word? I will go to notepad. It is in the lesson notepad. I'm going to notepad. Now can you observe it? I have a story here. I am clicking on, I want to search or find for the word fox. I want to search or find for the word fox. So I'm going to edit and I'm clicking on find. This is the find dialog box. What do I want to find? I must write there fox. And now I will give find next. Can you observe here? Fox is highlighted. Next. Can you observe here? Here also it is highlighted. Next. Fox. So I hope you followed this. So what is the answer here? Find option is used to search a word. Next, the extension of notepad text file is dash. This I have taught you so many times. I know it is in the tip of your tongue. What is the extension? .txt. Next one. Dash is an image which makes the desktop attractive. This also has to be on the tip of your tongue. This also I have taught you not once, twice. What's the answer? Wallpaper. Wallpaper is an image which makes the desktop attractive. So I really hope that you are thorough with this. You need to work hard too. Next. Missing letters. So the words are given. In between the spellings are, the letters are missing. So the first word is very, 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 very easy. And you know it well. You are familiar with the first word, wallpaper. And just think now, where have you heard this word wallpaper? The next word. What word is that? Notepad. Now just think, where have you heard that word too? Third one. What is it? Secondary. Fourth one. It's programming. And fifth one, it is favorite. So I hope you will learn the exact spellings of these words. Next, match the following. You are having the A side and also you have the B side. So in the A side, I have mentioned here everything. In the B side, observe your reader and now think for the answer start. So among those, which is the right answer for the start? Which answer? Whenever you need to go for paint or any program, I also told you, you can also go to the start menu and start, or also you can go to search. But now here, the answer is programs. Okay, next, settings. So what is the answer there? Control panel. So when you go to control panel, you have the settings of the computer. Next, find. So here what to find? What's the meaning of find? The meaning of find is search. So what is the right answer there? So here find, they have textbook, it is they have given files or folders. I have taught you, you have to go to the search files near the control menu. You are having the search where you can write there PAINT and you can find your files and folders. Is it clear? Next, run. What is the meaning of run? Run needs to open a file. So where is run? If you go to the start menu, you can see there run. Click on the run and also you write the PAINT and then click OK. Paint is opened. Is it clear? Go to the start menu and if you give run, there also you can open paint. Next, shutdown. Why is shutdown used? Shutdown is used to close the computer. So children, I have completed term 1 and I have really made it very easier for you so that you understand it better. So now I request you too to work hard, Study well. Also have a look in your reader to the points what I have given and write neatly. Thank you, children. Take care. I love you all. Bye. See you.